Alright, now that we have the box bottom complete, we're going to go ahead and move over to the box top. So I'm going to take a look here at our drawing sheet. We're going to use a very similar process that we did in the first one to create this one. The only thing we'll have to do is start with our outer perimeter here, the 8x4, extrude that up a total of 0.75 inches. We're going to draw the rectangle on the top, position that rectangle in the correct place, and then fillet the corners and cut that down to a distance of 0.55. So we're going to go ahead and do that in Inventor. So moving into, we're going to start by creating a new part. So you can do this a couple ways. You can click on the Home button up here, or you can just go and do a new file from this point here. So I'm going to click New, and I'm going to create a standard IPT, which is just a regular part file, just like we did on the box top. So we'll double click on that, and we're going to get a new design window here. So just like we did before, we're going to start a new sketch. So we'll click on that. We're going to click on the top plane just like we did before. We will rotate this so that we're looking at it in the correct view. And again, rectangle, click, click. We're going to dimension, click and place the dimension. Then we'll change that to 8. And then we'll click and place the dimension, change that to 4. Okay, finish that sketch. Use the Home button to zoom out. And we're going to extrude that to a depth of 0.75 inches. So change this to 0.75 and make sure, well, since it's the first one, it's not going to give you the option to join or cut. So, alright, we'll hit OK. And now we're going to create the pocket on top. So we'll start a sketch on the top view. Center that. We're going to draw a rectangle here. And then now for our dimensions, we're going to need to check the drawing sheet. So I'm going to go here. It says that I need a 3.5 by 7.5 pocket. So we'll go here to part 2, and we will dimension this so that this is 3.5. And we will dimension this one so that it is 7.5. And then it says that we have to have a 0.25 inch lip pretty much all the way around except for these corners. So we'll place that on there. So to dimension that, we'll choose dimensioning from here to the edge, and then so that's 3 clicks, 2, 1, 2, and then place is 3. So 0.25, enter, and then from here to here, place 0.25. Alright, so that does it. Looks even all the way around. Again, we can check it, so we'll click, yeah, or 0.25 there. It won't let me place that one. It'll give me an error, see? So we'll cancel that. Alright, so then the next thing we're going to do is do a fillet. It says that our fillets are still 0.5 inches in radius, and so we'll change that. We'll leave it highlighted, don't close this, and then we'll click. So we'll basically clicking on the 2 lines that we want to place the fillet on, and we are good to go. So we're going to go ahead and finish the sketch there, and then extrude. Remember, if it's highlighted in blue, that's what it's asking you to do, and then it's also giving you directions down here on the bottom left. So with this highlighted blue, it says select profile, and then I can click on that. Right now it says that we're going to do join, which is add material. I would rather cut material out of this, and the distance I want to cut is 0.6, I believe. Let's check. No, 0.55, so I was wrong. So we're going to make this 0.55, and then we're going to go ahead and hit OK. Alright, so we have the box lid done. In the next video, we're going to go through and we're going to create a custom design on the top of the box, on the very top. Alright.